how to combine two videos into one. You can combine two or more videos into one by using any video editing application. So you have InShot, you have CapCut or other video editor as such. In this case, let's say I'll just select this CapCut application because it's one of the free and the best applications out there, where I can tap a new project and I can simply select the videos that I want to merge. So here I have a 14-second video, here I have a 4-second video. Once I tap the add button, they will be both automatically merged. Now I can add a transition right in between where there is a change, right? So here you can say it changes. So I can tap on it and I can add maybe a transition. I can just use a free transition. I do not want to use a pro transition. So here I can simply go ahead and select any of these options right there. And once done, you can see I will be able to go ahead and then basically use the transition. And this way I should be able to go ahead and then basically combine two videos into one. And you don't have to use CapCut. You can use any video editing application that you're familiar with. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.